Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how to add, update or delete data in a Google Sheet directly from Excel using VBA and Google Apps script. So let's start. First, create a sample data set in Excel. In this sheet I have used ID, name and status field. ID field will be used to add, update or delete rows in the connected Google Sheet. Make sure Excel file extension should be XLSM. Now add a text box to enter the ID and place three buttons in the Excel sheet using ActiveX controls. Now create a Google Sheet. So click on New, select Google Sheets. Now we have to use the same column headers in the same order as we have in our Excel sheet. So I'm copying the data from Excel to Google Sheet. Now click on Untitled Spreadsheet and provide a file name, for example, employee. Now click on Share button on the top right. Under General Access, select anyone with the link and change the role to editor. Now click Done button. Now in your browser, go to script.google.com. Now click on New Project to create a new script. On the top left, click on Untitled Project and give your project a name. For example, Employee Project. Click on Rename. Now copy the script I have provided in the description section of this video. In the script, we have to change your Google Sheet ID. So go to your Google Sheet, copy the URL and paste in the notepad. Now the text between D and added is the Google Sheet ID. So copy this. Now go to your project and change your Google Sheet ID. Also, make sure that sheet 1 should match with the name of sheet in your Google Sheet. Now click on Save button. Now in the project script, make sure the file is saved. The Save button should be disabled. Now click on Deploy and choose Manage Deployments option. In the Manage Deployments dialog box, click on Create Deployment. Click Settings gear icon besides Select Type and select Web App. Under Execute As, make sure Me is selected and change Who has access to anyone. Now click the Deploy button. It will prompt you to authorize the access. Click Authorize Access button. Now select your Google account. You might see a warning page. That's okay. Click on the advanced link. Click on Go to Project Unsafe. Scroll down and select Allow to give permission. Now after this step, even if you see a bed request or error message, just click Reload button. Click on the page showing bed request. After that, you should see the message deployment successfully updated. Now copy the URL under the web app and paste in the notepad. It should start from script.google.com. Now click on Done button. First, we will test whether the web app is successfully deployed or not. Copy your script and in the browser, paste the URL, press enter, and it should show web app is running. It confirms that your web app is successfully deployed. The permissions and access settings like anyone are correctly configured and the script is accessible via the web. Now go to your Excel file, press Alt F11 to open VBA editor. Right click on Microsoft Excel objects, select Insert and choose module option. Paste this VBA code which is available in the description section. Replace the placeholder, your web app URL in the code with the actual web app URL you copied from your Google Apps script deployment. Now we will add VBA on the button we added in the Excel sheet. Please ensure that the design mode is enabled in the developer tab. Double click the add button and in the click event call the function update Google Sheet with parameter add to perform the addition operation. Similarly, for update operation and call the same function with parameter update, and for delete operation call the same update Google Sheet function with parameter update. Now remove the design mode and your Excel file and Google Sheet are ready. Now let's test the code. First, try adding a new row. I will enter ID 11 along with the name and status. Then type 11 in the text box and click the add item button. You will see a new row is added in the Google Sheet and a message box saying row added for ID 11. Now let's update an existing row. I am going to change the name and status for ID 4. Now type 4 in the text box and click the update button. The name and status is updated for ID 4 in Google Sheet and you will see a message box saying row updated for ID 4. Let's now delete a row. Type ID 11 in the text box and click delete button. The row is deleted from the Google Sheet and the message box says row deleted for ID 11. The same row is also removed from the Excel sheet to keep both sheets in sync. To make this happen, I added a function delete row in Excel by ID in the VBA editor. It finds and delete the row in Excel based on the given ID. So with just few simple steps, you can add, update or delete data in your Google Sheet directly from Excel. If you get any problem, drop a comment below. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.